Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm your girl Kaisa A, and welcome. We keep it real on here, and I hope you will stay. Just hit that little subscribe button right down there. Yeah, and stick around. Just join the family, alright? Big up. So anyway guys, in today's tutorial, I will be showing you all my wash routine, and I will be showing you the products that I use. And this routine is something that I came up with, and it has helped my hair to curl like it. You see, when I do my wash and go, my hair stay curled for over a week, going 2 weeks, and every day is like the curl, it keeps expanding. My hair is not this curly, all right? There are things that I have to do to get it to look like this, all right? So
Man, things they are studies come.
this take work, effort to get it to look this way. There are different curl pattern going on right here. My hair is full of different patterns. So this is my little routine, and when I do this, like I said, my hair lasts. All right, so without further ado, remember to subscribe down below, join the family, and just enjoy this video. All right, so I hope my little tips and tricks, you guys will find them useful. All right, so thank you for watching and enjoy the video. So the first step to an amazing wash and go is clean hair. So I'm starting off using my Shea Moisture shampoo, and I am cleaning my hair with it. All right, so you guys can use whatever you have. It doesn't particularly have to be Shea Moisture. Whichever shampoo you use is fine. So now that my hair is clean, I'm going to go in with my conditioner, and I'm using it from Shea Moisture, and I am taking this time now to moisturize, hydrate, detangle my hair, because this style will be in for a while. So I want to ensure that my hair is well moisturized and detangled, and I'm going to leave this conditioner in for 10 minutes. All right, so now that my hair is clean and hydrated, I am going in with my leave-in conditioner from EcoStyle, and you want to ensure that your hair is dripping wet, and you want to ensure that you're lathering it in your hair. All right, so after which I'm going to go in with my two favorite product ever from AuntJackie, and I will be lathering this into my hair and separating my curls as I go along. I will be using the water to help that product, so you don't really need a lot, guys. You just use the product with the water and lather it in your hair, and I am separating my curls as I go along. You guys can part your hair in sections and do it little by little. It depends on how it works for you. All right, so as you can see, while I'm doing it, I am going in with my water, and I'm using it along with the product, and I'm working my way all the way throughout my entire head. After which I am going to go ahead and coat my hair using the EcoStyle gel, right? And I'm just, because that is a little bit harder, so I'm going in on top. It will help the curls to stay longer and not be even crunchy, right? And I'm not using a lot of that, guys, because as I said, I don't want any residue after a few days. So this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, the curls are popping, guys. Yes, so I am not going to touch this now. I just take the hair from my face, and then I'm just going to allow this to hair dry, and I will come back in a few hours and show you guys like what's going on. Right, this is like 4 hours later, and my hair is not even 40% dry. So I'm going in with my blow dryer on cool hair, and I'm going to try to dry my hair some more. But I would recommend you guys allow your hair to hair dry as best as possible, because then you won't be messing with the curls. It will dry on its own. Now after that, I am going in with my AloeVera oil, and I'm just going to saturate that throughout my hair to get some sheen and to add some more moisture to the hair. So I gotta run, so I'm gonna try to do a little style something, and then that's that. But as you can see, guys, my hair is pretty curly. It's not the best result I was hoping for because I had to go in with the blow dryer, so that kind of interrupt the curl. But anyway, it's all right. So I'm just gonna add a little humph to it. So I pull up the sides some more, and I'm just securing it with a hairpin, and I'm doing the other side. And then I just pull a little something down on my face. It's a little style. It's cute. I like it. So it is the next morning, and as you can see, I just had my hair over a bonnet, and this is what it looks like. And today we're gonna try and stretch the hair, and I'm gonna be doing that by, well, I was thinking I was gonna rake it, but then I'm like, no, I'm gonna try and stretch it today. And by doing this, I am going to be using a shoelace, and I'm just gonna put that all the way in one, like a high little puff, poofy poof thingamajig. And then some people like to use stocking foot or scrunchie or whatever. I'm just using a shoelace, and then I just grab the inner part, and then I'm gonna put another scrunchie over it, so I will be able to stretch in the middle, right? And that's what I will be wearing for today's style. However, like, I will come back and show you my hair in a few more days, what it looks like. So I will be ending the video right here. So guys, remember to subscribe down below. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Kaisa_A. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Comment down below, let me know, as usual, what you think. If you have any questions or concerns, put it all down below. And thank you for watching again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.